I had such an epic score on Casio and Timex watches that I'm giving away a free G-Shock in this video. Stay tuned. Welcome to the Watch Closet. I'm COE33, Co for short, and guys, I think it's safe to say that I'm cuckoo for watches. If you enjoy watch collecting content as much as I do, help me grow this channel and appease those algorithm overlords by subscribing and ever so gently polishing that like button. Before we get into the video, let's do a wristwatch check. I'm keeping with the Timex and Casio theme of the video and wearing my Timex Weekender Pac-Man edition with a black leather strap. I sure love a good bargain, so when Kat sent me this text, I immediately stopped what I was doing, hopped in my car, and went watch hunting. So let's leave the watch closet for a few and take a look at what I found at my local Walmart. Alright guys, there it is, Walmart. Looks like it's going to be pretty crowded, but hopefully it's worth it and we find some good watches at great prices. Check this out guys, we got some deals here. $7, $4.50. I'm buying that. $6, $7. Looks like most of these are Armatron. But these Casios score. Guys, check out this G-Shock for $22. Holy smokes. $90 retail, $22 clearance. Holy shit, guys. Look at this. Can you believe it? They had so many watches on clearance, and what I showed you in the footage wasn't even all of them because they had those rotating racks with Timex, and those were on clearance too. So I bought a huge, massive haul of Timex and Casio. I paid $197, but I got just a ridiculous amount of watches. And yeah, this is a mega haul. Alright guys, we're back in the watch closet and I have quite the haul to share with you. This is a pretty epic score. The prices were just too good to be true and I didn't want to leave any of those Casio and Timexes behind. So I have a bunch of watches to share with you. So let's do it. Now, a lot of you are going to ask, well, COE, what are you going to do with all these watches? Why did you buy them all? So a few things. One is I'm making content, of course, for YouTube on this channel. So I'm going to keep some for my collection. I'm going to use some for videos in the future. I'm probably going to sell some so that I can recoup some of my cost. And I'm even going to give away that G-Shock that I mentioned earlier. So stay tuned to the end of the video for details on that. But yeah, lots of great stuff here. Really cool watches. And I think we should just get right into it. So I have a bag full of watches and I'm just going to go through and we're going to kind of move quick here. So right off the bat, we got a nice classic Casio with the stainless steel bracelet here. Look at that, guys. That was $6. Normally $25. I bought it for $6. This one's missing its thing, but and you know this one kind of has a few issues. It doesn't have its little moniker there, but that's not a big deal. I actually really like these classic Casios with the stainless steel bracelet like that. So that's awesome. Moving on, we got a nice Timex. Look at this Timex. This is really good looking Timex. Digital display, kind of a bulky, almost G-Shock looking, huh? That one was $8.50. Guys, this is normally $35.92. I got it for $8.50. It's going to be hard going through all these and deciding which ones I want to keep for the collection, which ones I want to like talk about on the channel, which ones I'm going to sell. I do have a couple duplicates, so I'll probably sell the duplicates. And then another Casio with the Indiglo light and the vibration alarm, $7, normally $30. I'm going to kind of book it through these. I don't want to spend too much time talking about each watch because there's so many. One of the fishing watches. This is one of the fishing timers from Casio. These are super cool. I like these watches quite a bit. I have one. It's not this model, but I do have a Casio fishing timer. This one's actually cooler than the one I have. Normally $30. I got it for $7. I couldn't believe it. Going to Walmart and seeing all those prices. I mean, this is the best prices I've seen on Casio and Timex. I don't know about you guys. Timex, $8.50. That's pretty similar to that one we already looked at. Probably well, actually not probably. This was the best price out of all the watches. Look at that, $4.50 for a Casio calculator watch. Guys, I don't have one of these. This is probably going to be a keeper. What a cool retro classic watch. Gotta love it. Moving on. Super nice Casio here. And oh, I'm dropping stuff. So this is a really nice kind of classic styling Casio with a stainless steel bracelet. Normally $28.92. I got it for $7. That's a good looking watch. The bracelet looks a little janky on it, but overall, it's a good looking piece. Let's keep this ball rolling. I got another of these Casios with the stainless steel bracelet and the digital display. That's a classic watch. I'll probably sell one of those, maybe keep one. I'm not sure yet. As I said, it's going to be hard to choose. Another digital Casio there, $7. What a bargain. Love this piece. Look at this Timex. Super nice. I really like that blue dial. Look at the dial pattern work on there. That's a good looking Timex with the leather band. I like this quite a bit. $8.50. This is a $34.92 watch MSRP. I got it for $8.50. Score. Okay, we got another fishing timer from Casio. Awesome. People love their fishing timers. Moving on. Another digital Casio. I don't know all the model numbers and stuff right off the top of my head, guys, so, bear with me if I'm not spouting off all the model numbers. This is a really nice digital Casio. I like the colorway. This is one of my favorites. This is cool. This has the G-Shock look to it as well, but it's got the analog and the digital, and normally $30, $7. Pretty awesome. The total on all these watches, guys, was $197, just in case you're wondering. So less than $200 for all these watches. And I added it up. I forget. I think it was $1,100 as far as retail on all these. $850, normally $35. Awesome. So, I mean, that's a hell of a deal. That's as good as it gets, really. Here's one of the booklets that came out of one of those watches. Put that right there. Okay, guys, now we're moving on to the watches that have boxes. And we're going to start with this guy right here. Let's set this up here so I have easy access. Okay. So let's take the lid off and we'll start putting these up here. So really nice looking Casio. This is the digital compass, the thermometer. How cool is that? Look at that. That's awesome. How much is this normally? This is $48.92. I got it for $12. Look at that. $12. Hell yeah. Score. Guys, I love watches so much, it's going to be really difficult for me to let go of any of these, to be honest with you. I'm just going to have to get like a watch case and fill it up with Casio and Timex because all these are pretty awesome. I haven't seen many watches so far that I wouldn't sport and enjoy wearing. $49.92, $12. Score. Another Casio. Nice looking piece there. Solar powered, rotating bezel. $9.50. That's an even better deal. Oh no, actually this one has a $40 retail. So $9.50, $40 retail. Hard to beat. Lots of Casio here. We got another quartz watch, solar powered, rotating bezel, $40 retail, $9.50. I'm running out of room, guys. Look at this one. That's a great looking piece. $12, $50 retail. 3-year battery, mineral glass, 50-meter water. Well, the specs aren't that interesting, are they? But it's a good looking Casio. Lots of Casio. Look at this, guys. Casio quartz, another solar powered. I love getting all these solar powered watches and a lot of variety in the colorways here. Another $40 watch for $10. Let's see, I put it right over there. We're almost completely out of room, but we're almost out of watches too. And then the poor checkout lady, she had to like get all these watches and check them all out, but she was a trooper. Okay, and last but not least, well, we saw the G-Shock. I'll share that right after this. But last watch that, I'm going to figure out what I'm doing with. Timex, look at this, $11, normally $45.92, stainless steel bracelet and a leather band. Apparently this is like a Walmart exclusive, because I don't know if you can see, but it says only at Walmart up there. And it's got Indiglo, and what a cool piece. I love it. For $11, are you kidding? Hell yeah, I'll take that all day long. And guys, that's my watch haul, my clearance mega haul from Walmart. Wow, epic score. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these off and then we're going to give away a G-Shock. All right, guys, it's that time, giveaway time. Look at this, one G-Shock, one lucky winner is going to get this G-Shock. I'll ship it anywhere in the world, free shipping. And guys, anytime you do a giveaway these days on YouTube, inevitably there's going to be some scammers trying to take advantage of people, and that's a shame. So I'm going to give you a couple little pointers to help you guys out. One is I'm not going to contact you and ask you for money, okay? If someone that says they're cuckoo for watches is asking you for money or your phone number or WhatsApp information or any of that bullshit, don't fall for it. That's not me. That's a scammer, guys. One lucky winner is going to win this. I'll contact them. I'll ask them probably to put something in their original comment so that I know it's them. I can confirm it's them and this is going to the right person. We'll figure this out. Not a big deal. Super simple. To be entered, all you have to do, be subscribed and leave a comment in the comment section below of this video with the word giveaway. You have to have giveaway in your comment so that I can use the random comment YouTube picker and use that as the key tag so that I know who's going to win. And it has a keyword to use to select the entries. So good luck, everyone. I really appreciate all the subs and all the support I've received. This is a brand new watch channel. I'm only a handful of videos into my watch YouTube journey, and we're almost to 250 followers. Lots of comments, lots of views, lots of support. I really appreciate all the feedback, everyone. You guys are awesome. And let's keep this train rolling. Let's see where we can take this Cuckoo for Watches watch channel, and let's keep that growth going. Really appreciate it. This is my way of giving back. Best of luck. All right, guys, that's my haul of clearance Casio and Timex watches. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm posting new videos every Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can count on that. It's like clockwork. Follow me with my watch collecting adventures over on Instagram at Cuckoo for Watches. I'm live streaming on Twitch every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow me over there for wrist checks and retro gaming at COE33. And if you're enjoying the content, be sure to watch this video, my ultimate watches wish list, the top 10 pieces that I hope to add to my collection someday. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your watches wound and your sapphires polished.